What's going on, YouTube? Happy Wednesday. Today I want to talk about how to make yourself lose weight. Right? I'm gonna make the video short and simple, enough for anybody to understand and for anybody at any level to be able to do this, and it works. Stay tuned. So the first thing on our list in order to lose weight is to pay attention to calories, right? I'm gonna explain it in a simple way. So think about a car, right? Think about if you're gonna take a car for a drive. What do you need to be able to drive a car? Gas. You need gas. What happens if you drive a long distance with the car? You're running low on gas. When do you need to put gas in the car? When the car is getting low on gas. Let's say you filled up the car with gas, right? Let's say you filled it up. What happens if you try to put more gas in it? It overspills. You gotta think about calories that way. Calories are in order to give ourselves fuel to be able to keep going, right? For energy, right? So if you have too much calories, you're gonna overflow, you're gonna gain weight, you're gonna get fat, right? So the first thing on the list is to pay attention to calories. The second thing, exercise. You're not gonna avoid this. In order to lose weight, you have to create some sort of calorie deficit, right? Eating less is not a good way to do it, because what happens if you eat less? You're gonna lose weight, yes, it may work, but what happens if you start eating again? You're gonna gain the weight back. So another way to do it while paying attention to the calories you eat is exercise also. At least 3 to 5 times a week, 45 minutes each of those sessions. Exercise. You can take a walk, you can go for a run, you can go to the gym, lift weights, you can do powerlifting, you can play sports. You have to exercise. There's no way around it, right? And the third thing will assist you in knowing what to do with the calories. So you can have things like tracking devices, right? So like a watch to tell you how many steps you took, like an app like MyFitnessPal to help you track your food to see how much calorie is in each thing, to help you know what you put in your body and things like that. So tracking devices will help you out a lot. And the final thing I want to talk about is consistency, right? You can follow these steps for a week and then go back to your old ways. You're gonna gain that weight back. In order for this to fully work and to work perfectly, is you have to do it consistently. It's a lifestyle. You do it every single day. 365, right? No days off. This is a lifestyle. This is life and death, right? If you're in a situation where the doctor told you you have to start eating healthy, you have to pay attention to your weight, pay attention to how much you're eating, well, pretend you're in that position. Even if you're someone that is skinny, even if you're someone that has no problems now, problems may come later. So you have to be consistent with this. This is something truly important, right? All those three things I told you about, the calories, the exercise, the using things to help you track what you're doing. If you don't do that consistently, this will not work. You have to be consistent, right? And now that we have all that down, out of the way, right? Here's what I want you to do, right? I want you to figure out your body weight, right? So get yourself a scale, stand on it, figure out your body weight, right? Check it out. The next thing I want you to do is, why can I remember? Why can I remember? It'll come to me. It'll come to me. Is figure out how many times a week you already go do training, right? And the final thing is, I want you to have a clear-cut goal on what you want to achieve, how much weight you want to lose, when you want to lose it by. And once you have established all of that, I want you to write it down somewhere. Write it down. Put it somewhere visible. So whenever you wake up, whenever you walk by this place, you see it, right? You see it, so it reminds you that you have to be consistent, right? I promise, if you follow all these steps, you will lose weight. But it's all about you doing it and doing it consistently, right? The answers are there, people. The answers are there. There's no excuse as to why you're not taking the actions, and not only that, but staying consistent with it. This will not work if you don't stay consistent. So remember your calories. Pay attention to how much calories you put in your bodies in relation to the car needing gas to go and not needing gas when it's not moving. Exercise, making sure you're doing some sort of activity 3 to 5 days a week, 45 minutes to an hour, right? Number three, using tracking devices to help you track how much calories you put in your body, know what kind of foods and what kind of nutrition value it has, what you put in your body, right? And the things I want you guys to do, figure out your body weight, figure out how many times a week you're doing activity, and have a clear-cut goal to what you want to achieve and when you want to achieve it, and write it all down and put it somewhere so you will see it every single time you feel like you want to quit, right? These are the steps I want you to follow. Thank you for watching the video. It's more motivation. I'll see you guys later. Peace.